Congratulations on your new 8-drawer mobile workbench by Permasteel. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps for your assembly and installation that you can easily do at home. We recommend saving some cardboard for later in the installation. It's also advised to review the detailed safety and assembly instructions that can be found in your product's use and care guide. With that, let's get started. Before assembling, ensure all parts of the mobile workbench are present. Open the bottom right-hand drawer to find most of the items needed for installation. Then, lay them out according to your diagram in your use and care guide. Step 1. We'll begin by attaching the handle to the side of the workbench with 4 M6 by 20mm bolts. Now tighten with the provided double open-end wrench. Step 2. Attach the 2 storage hooks over the holes on the cabinet using 4 M6 by 20mm bolts and tighten with the provided double end wrench. We'll prepare you to lay down the workbench, so please follow these instructions carefully. Remove the keys from one of the drawers and remove them from the packaging. Then, lock all the drawers. Step 3. Remove all items from the top of the workbench and place a large piece of cardboard that was saved during unboxing behind the workbench. Then, with the help of a friend, carefully tilt the workbench back onto the cardboard, leaving enough space for your fingers. Before installing, ensure the swivel casters are on the same side as the handle. We'll connect the swivel casters to the cabinet with 4 M8 by 25mm bolts, 4 spring washers, and 4 regular washers. Tighten with the provided double open-end wrench. Repeat this process for the fixed casters on the opposite side of the cabinet. Then, lift the cabinet with the help of a friend. Step 4. After unlocking the cabinet, open one of the lower drawers on the right side to reveal the power cord. Gently pull the power cord through the rubber grommet. Now you're all set and ready to start using your Permasteel mobile workbench. But before we go, we'd like to show you how to remove the drawers from the workbench. With the drawer fully extended, push up on one release lever while pushing down on the other release lever. While both levers are being pushed, gently pull the drawer out. To reinsert the drawer, align the brackets and completely close the drawer to set the slides to their proper positions. If you need any additional questions answered, please refer to your use and care guide, which can be found online at permasteel.life. You can also visit the link in the description for our customer service information and subscribe for future care and maintenance tips. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.